If you are looking to buy a motorcycle, then this video is just for you. Today we are showing you a great bike that might be perfect for you. If you like what you see after watching the video, you will find the seller's Facebook link in the description box below. For more details, just click on the link and contact the seller directly. So without further ado, let's get started with the video.
2006 Harley-Davidson 883. Price $2,700. Mileage 15,385 miles. Location Covington, Georgia. This 2006 Harley-Davidson Sportster 883 is a clean, well-kept cruiser with the classic Harley sound and feel. With only 15,385 miles, this bike has plenty of life left and comes equipped with several upgrades that make it stand out from a standard Sportster. The reliable 883 cubic centimeter motor paired with a manual transmission delivers smooth throttle response, strong low-end torque, and that unmistakable Harley rumble. This Sportster is fully ready to ride and needs nothing, just turn the key and hit the road. It's priced at $2,700 plus tax and title, and the seller is open to reasonable negotiation.
Number 3.
1974 Harley-Davidson Ironhead. Price $5,000. Mileage 123,456 miles. Location Knox, Indiana. This 1974 Harley-Davidson Ironhead is true old-school attitude. Raw, loud, simple, and built for riders who appreciate vintage Harley character. With its original right-side shift setup, classic Ironhead V-twin engine, and unmistakable mechanical feel, this bike delivers a riding experience that's pure 1970s muscle. It comes with custom pipes that give it a deep, aggressive sound, a new battery, and a clean title in hand. It runs great and carries the authentic style and history that modern bikes just can't imitate. With only 2 owners and an unmistakable red finish, this Ironhead stands out as a genuine vintage survivor. Sellers open to trades, making this the perfect opportunity for collectors.
Number 4.
2003 Honda VTX 1800. Price $3,800. Mileage 9,000 miles. Location Covington, Georgia. This 2003 Honda VTX 1800 is a clean, low-mileage powerhouse built for riders who want serious torque, comfort, and reliability. With only 9,000 original miles, this bike has barely been broken in and delivers smooth but commanding acceleration from its massive 1,800 cubic centimeter engine. Paired with a manual transmission, the ride is responsive, strong, and effortlessly confident whether you're cruising locally or stretching out on the highway. The striking blue finish gives it a bold look, and it comes equipped with a tour pack for added storage and convenience. perfect for longer trips or weekend escapes. The bike runs great, needs nothing, and comes with a clean Georgia title in hand.
Number 5.
2000 Harley-Davidson Dyna FXD. Price $3,200. Mileage 56,957 miles. Location, Nashville, Tennessee. This 2000 Harley-Davidson Dyna FXD is a solid running classic with that unmistakable Harley attitude. Powered by a dependable V-twin engine and paired with a manual transmission, it offers strong acceleration, smooth shifting, and the raw riding experience the Dyna line is known for. With 56,957 miles, it has been ridden and enjoyed, yet remains mechanically sound with no known issues. Just could use a wash to bring out its bold blue finish and shine. This bike came in as a trade-in and hasn't gone through full dealership service yet, making it a great opportunity for someone looking for a reliable Harley at a bargain price. Clean title, no trades, and sales tax will be collected since it's being sold through a dealer at Highway 12, Motorsports in Nashville.
Number 6.
1985 Harley-Davidson FXR. Price $7,500. Mileage 2,000 miles. Location, York, Pennsylvania. This 1985 Harley-Davidson FXR is a rare, fully customized build that blends vintage soul with modern power and style. Finished in deep black with candy ghost flames and a molded frame, this bike stands out instantly and carries that unmistakable outlaw FXR stance. Underneath the paint sits a hopped-up Evo motor paired with a 6-speed transmission, giving it smooth acceleration, strong highway pull, and a riding experience that feels crisp, powerful, and refined. Billet wheels, performance machine brakes, upgraded foot controls, and a super trap header exhaust complete the build, giving the bike attitude, precision handling, and an aggressive, clean sound.
Number 7.
2002 Harley-Davidson Springer. Price $7,700. Mileage 37,700 miles. Location, Wadsworth, Ohio. This stunning 2002 Harley-Davidson Softail Springer FXSTS is the kind of bike that turns heads before the engine even starts. With a carbureted twin-cam 88 engine, it delivers that classic Harley growl riders crave: powerful, raw, and unmistakably American. Drenched in chrome and dressed in deep, mirror-like black paint, this machine is clean, cared for, and built to impress. Recent professional work includes the cam chain tensioners and related components completed at 35,000 miles, with receipts to prove it, giving you peace of mind and reliability. Despite the miles, the bike shows no oxidation, and its shine is as bold as its attitude.
Number 8.
2002 Harley-Davidson Springer. Price $7,700. Mileage 37,700 miles. Location Wadsworth, Ohio.
Cierra un ratito. Cierra que va a hacer sonar.
This stunning 2002 Harley-Davidson Softail Springer FXSTS is the kind of bike that turns heads before the engine even starts. With a carbureted twin-cam 88 engine, it delivers that classic Harley growl riders crave: powerful, raw, and unmistakably American. Drenched in chrome and dressed in deep, mirror-like black paint, this machine is clean, cared for, and built to impress. Recent professional work includes the cam chain tensioners and related components completed at 35,000 miles, with receipts to prove it, giving you peace of mind and reliability. Despite the miles, the bike shows no oxidation, and its shine is as bold as its attitude.
Number 9.
2006 Harley-Davidson Superglide. Price $4,500. Mileage 34,991 miles. Location Cincinnati, Ohio. This 2006 Harley-Davidson Superglide is a clean-titled, well-maintained rider's bike that's built for power, comfort, and classic Harley attitude. With just 34,991 miles, it fires right up and runs strong with no mechanical issues, the kind of bike that growls with confidence and settles into a smooth, steady ride. The fluids were freshly changed in July, the tires are newer, and everything is road ready without excuses or surprises. If you're looking for a real Harley, not a project, not a maybe this one delivers the unmistakable rumble of a proven power plant wrapped in timeless black steel.
Number 10.
2018 Harley-Davidson Low Rider. Price $9,900. Mileage 13,000 miles. Location Sanford, Florida. This 2018 Harley-Davidson Softail Low Rider is a finely tuned cruiser that combines classic Harley style with modern performance upgrades. Powered by a reliable V-twin engine and paired with a smooth manual transmission, it delivers strong acceleration, precise handling, and that iconic Harley rumble that turns heads everywhere you ride. With only 13,000 miles, this bike is lightly used and fully ready for the open road. Upgrades include new raised handlebars, 2-to-1 exhaust, Screamin' Eagle tune, and an LED headlight for both style and visibility. Recent service ensures it runs perfectly, and the fork seals were replaced last year by Gator Harley in Leesburg.